We have here are those aspirants who want to stand on the ODM ticket so that we can talk to them about the coming elections, especially about our presidential candidate and how to campaign for our presidential candidate. And we have a rich history here of supporting our own candidate, the Right Honorable Prime Minister, Raila Amolo Odinga. But even much more so, to also talk to them about nominations for the party ticket. As a party, we are going to ensure that we have transparency and accountability in the way that we will identify our candidates. Because when you see elections, sometimes you hear very crazy things, that people have tickets in their pocket, that others have got this, even when the printing of those tickets themselves has actually not been done. And you know the terminal date for them to apply to be applicants for ODM is on Sunday. And the representative of ODM from Nairobi indicated to them that the party is going to be open up to Sunday evening to allow anybody who wants to stand under the party to make their applications. After that, I do believe that the party itself will put that list in the papers.
Today I came here purposely to meet ODM aspirants from the Kisii County, and the meeting has been very fruitful. They have asked questions, they have clarified. The areas also have raised their concerns. They have tried to allay the fears, and Governor has alluded to these elections. We need to have a very conducive environment, and these are some of the issues that we have discussed, and the process of conducting our party primaries.